Open your book to page 348, and let's start with number 13. Number 13, you want to solve the triangle. So you want to do is go ahead and get the ABCs ready. Number 13, angle B equal to 132.4 degrees. Angle C is 17.3 degrees. And small b equal to 67.6 feet. In this case, you have two angles already known, so you can use 180 minus 132.4 minus 17.3, and you can get angle A equal to 30.3 degrees. You can use 180 minus the angle B minus angle C, you get angle A. After that, to find the length, you can use the law of sine. When you use the law of sine to get the length, you don't have to worry about the second case. So let's go ahead and find A and C. And so C over sine C equal to B over sine B. And you move this over. So you get C equal to sine of 17.3 degrees times 67.6. divided by sine 132.4 degrees. And so you get C equal to 27.2224. And when you write over here, just follow that, so one digit, so 27.2 feet. To find A, you do the same thing. So you get A over sine A equal to B over sine B, and move the sine A to this side. So you get A equal to sine 30.3 degrees times 67.6 divided by sine of 132.4 degrees. Use your calculator, so you get A equal to 46.18568. So when you write, you get 46.2 feet. And this would be your answer. Next, let's go to number 15. Again, you want to get your ABCs ready. Number 15, your angle B equal to 66.5 degrees. Small a equal to 13.7 meters. And small c equal to 20.1 meters. In this case, all three letters are different, so you need to use the law of cosine. So let's use the B equation. So B squared equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine of B. So B squared equal to 13.7 squared plus 20.1 squared minus 2 times 13.7, 20.1, and cosine of 66.5 degrees. After that, go and work it out. So you got B squared equal to 187.69 plus 404.01 minus 219.607. So B squared equal to 372.093. Take the square root, so B equal to 19.2897. So when you put up here, you go to one decimal place, so you get 19.3 meters. The next is you're going to go ahead and get the angle. So in this case, you want to get the angle, you want to get angle A, because if you get angle C, you have to consider two possibilities. So you want to get a smaller angle. Smaller angle you have to be less than 90. So you want to use the law of sine to find angle A. That way you don't have to worry about second possibility. Again, only the biggest angle can have two possibilities. Okay? So the the biggest angle facing the longer side, smaller angle facing the shorter side. So when you use the law of sine to get smaller angle, you'll find. So let's do sine A over A equal to sine B over B, and move this to this side. So sine A equal to 13.7 times sine of 66.5 degrees divided by 19.3. So sine A equal to 0.65097. So angle A equal to 40.615 degrees. So when you put up here, again, run it up to the 1 decimal. So you get 40.6 degrees. To get C, don't use the law of sine because you already have two angles already. So just use 180 minus angle A minus angle B. You get 72.9 degrees for angle C. And this is it. Let's go to number 27 next. And let's do 17. Okay, number 17. Again, you get A, B, C. You got small a, small b, small c. In this case, you have the small a equal to 12.3 centimeters, and big B, you got 84.4 degrees, and you got 97.8 degrees for angle C. Now, if you use 180 minus angle B minus angle C, you get negative 2.2 degrees. So this cannot, right? So this is impossible. So in this case, there will be no solution. Okay, let's go to number 19. So get the angle A, B, C ready. Get small a, small b, small c ready. Number 19, you got small a equal to 10.5 inch, small b equal to 5.23 inch, and c equal to 9.66 inch. So what you want to do is, again, you want to figure out the smallest angle, because the smallest angle, there will be only one case. So that's going to figure out the angle B. If you figure out the biggest angle, you have to worry about the second possibility, and so it's just more messy and too much trouble. So let's go and get the angle B. So use the B equation. So B squared equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine of B. So substitute all the numbers in there. You got 5.23 square equal to 10.5 square plus 9.66 square minus 2 times 10.5 times 9.66 cosine of B. So you work it out. You get 27.3529 equal to 110.25 plus 93.3156 minus 202.86 cosine of B. So minus this and minus that. So get this out of the way. You get negative 176.2127 equal to negative 202.86 cosine of B. Go ahead and divide next. So you get cosine of B equal to 29. Divide. So you get 0.86864. Take the inverse cosine, so angle B is equal to 29.6987 degrees. Okay, when you put this over here, again, run it up to just one decimal place, so you get 29.7 degrees. Next, okay, you go and use the law of sine to find the other angles. Again, use it to find the smaller angle, so you don't have to worry about the second case. The smallest angle and the medium angle will have only one case, and they have to be less than 90. So let's go to sine. So use the law of sine to find the angle C. So sine C over C equal to sine B over B. And move this over. So you get sine C equal to 9.66 times sine of 29.7 degrees divided by 5.23. So sine C equal to 0.9151. So angle C equal to 66.2194 degrees. Run off to one decimal place, so you get 66.2 degrees. Now to find A, all you have to do is use 180 minus angle B minus angle C, so you get 84.1 degrees. And that would be it for number 19. Next, let's go to number 27. So you can get the angle A, B, C ready. Small a, small b, small c. So number 27, angle A is 46.7 degree. Small a is 18.1 yard. Small b is 22.6 yard. Okay, so for this one, you got two of the same letters, so you need to use law of sine. So let's get the b. So sine b over b equal to sine a over a. So move this over. You get sine b equal to 22.6 times sine of 46.7 degrees divided by 18.1. You get sine of b equal to 0.9087. So angle B equal to 65.3278 degrees. So when you put over here, it can run off to one decimal place. So you get 65.3 degrees. Now, when you use the law of sine to find the biggest angle, right now this is the biggest angle because this is the longest side. You need to get second possibilities. So you need to go and get A, you need to get B2, get C. So you get A, B, and C. So you can write over here, you need to stop right away and copy this information over. So you get 46.7 degree, 18.1 yard, 22.6 yard. Now for the B2, these are supplementary angle. To get B2, you use 180 minus the 65.3. So you get 114.7 degrees. So you can use 180 minus this, you get that. So now it's a matter of figure out the rest of the information. Now to find angle C, since you already got two angles already, use 180 minus angle A minus angle B, you get angle C of 68 degrees. Same thing over here, use 180 minus this, you get 18.6 degrees. Okay. So now to find the length of C, I can use the law of sine. So C over sine C equal to let's go and use A. So A over sine A. So move this over. So you get C equal to sine of 68 degrees times 18.1 divided by sine of 46.7 degrees. So C equal to 23.059. And run out to one decimal place, you get 23.1 yard. Now let's go on this side, do the second possibility. Again, you do the same thing. Use C over sine C equal to A over sine A. And the reason I use A because A is giving, so it's more accurate. So move this over. You get C equal to sine of 18.6 degrees times 18.1 divided by sine of 46.7 degrees. Use a calculator, work it out. C equal to 7.9326. So come over here, I can run it off to the one decimal place. You get 7.9 yards. And this would be your answer. Okay. Let's go to page 357. And let's do number 5. Number 5, you're looking for the area of the triangle. You have A equal to 4.00 inch. And B equal to 6.00 inch. C equal to 8.00 inch. So the three sides are given, so you need to use a Hero's formula. Hero's formula is A equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and S minus D, but D equal to 0, so you get S. And S is your semi-parameter, so that's going to add all this together, so you got 4 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 2. So S equal to 9, so half of the parameter equal to 9. So substituting here, so A equal to square root of 9 minus 4, 9, so 9 minus 4, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 8, and 9 minus 0, so it's 9. So area equal to square root of 5 times 3 times 1 times 9. So A equal to 11.6189. And again, run it off. So this got 3 significant digits. So you can run off 3 significant digits. So area equal to 11.6 inch square. And that's it. Now let's go to number 9. Number 9, you have angle alpha equal to 132.67 degrees. B equal to 12.1 centimeters. C equal to 10.2 centimeters. The area when two sides are given with the included side is the formula equal to area equal to 1/2 BC sine of A. So notice all 3 letters are involved. So all 3 letters have to be different. You get A area equal to 1/2 times 12.1 times 10.2 times sine of 132.67 degrees. So again, this is these have 3 significant digits. So run off your answer to 3 significant digits. So you get 45.4 centimeters squares, and that's it. Next, let's go to page 364. And let's do number 5. Number 5, you have this picture over here. So this is the vector V. Length of vector V is equal to 28.3 knots. And the length of the vector U equal to 15.6 knots. So you're looking for the length of vector U plus V, and you're looking for angle theta. So first, let's go and figure out this length over here. Since this is a right triangle, you can use Pythagorean Theorem. So the length of U plus V will equal to square root of 15.6 square plus 28.3 square. Again, A square plus B square. You take the square root, you get the length of C. So length of U plus V, use your calculator, you work it out, you get 32.3 knots. Now to figure out angle theta, you can use the tangent. So tangent theta equal to opposite over adjacent, so you're going to get 28.3 divided by 15.6. You get tangent theta equal to 1.814, so theta equal to 61.1 degrees. And that's it. Let's go to number 9. Number 9, it's kind of the reverse of that. They give you theta equal to 85.9 degrees. Okay, and they give you the length of vector v equal to 325 kilometers per hour, and they want you to find the vertical component. So don't get confused between the two. This is a small v, so this is the length of the vector v. The capital V is a vertical component, so it's the height, and you're looking for the horizontal, the h. So since this is a right triangle, so you can use the trigonometric function. So this over this is sine. So sine theta equal to the big V over small v, and you can move it over. So move this over, and you can substitute. So you get 325 times sine of 85.9 degrees will equal to the capital V. So you work it out. So you capital big V, the big V equal to 324 kilometers per hour. Okay. And you can do the same thing with the horizontal. Okay. I'm going to put the trigonometric function on the right hand side so you don't have to switch around. So let's do this. So you got horizontal over the small v equal to cosine theta. So move this to this side. So big H, the horizontal component, will equal to 325 times cosine of 85.9 degrees. So H will equal to 23.2 knots. Oh wait, kilometers per. Okay, this would be kilometers per hour. Okay, next, let's go to page 365, number 15. Number 15, you have this picture over here. So this is the length of u plus v. This one is the u. The length of u equal to 655 miles per hour. And the length of v equal to 97.3 miles per hour. And it tells you that angle theta over here equal to 66.8 degrees. And here is your alpha. So let's go and label differently so easier to use. So this is angle A, and so this will be angle C, and this is angle B. So this is a small b, this is a small a, and this is a small c. Okay, so let's get the ABC. And so this one, what you need to do is you need to get an angle in between them. So to find this, you have to use law of cosine, but the law of cosine need to have two sides with the angle in between. So you need to use 180 minus this over here to get 113.2 degrees. Okay. So that way you can use the law of cosine. So this is your small c. So write down your equation. You get c squared equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. So you can cosine of c, you have to use this angle. Do not use this one. This is not the angle c. Okay. So next, go ahead and substitute the numbers. Go and work it out. So substitute all the numbers. And go and work it out. So c squared equal to 488,705.3076. And so take the square root. So c equal to 699 miles per hour. Now to find the angle A, to find alpha, you can use the law of sine. So use sine A over A equal to sine C over C. and move this over. So sine A equal to 97.3 times sine of 113.2 degrees divided by 699. So sine A equal to 0.12794. So angle A equal to 7.3507 degrees, and you're going to run it off to the nearest one decimal place. So A equal to 7.4 degrees, and that's it. And this one you don't have to worry about the second case, because in a triangle, only one angle, the biggest angle can be over 90 degrees. So this is not the biggest angle, so you don't have to worry about the second situation.